my children? So in the last lecture we saw answering one word as extra questions. Okay. Now today we are going to say true or false. Okay. So one by one I will write. We will discuss it, and then you have to write in your notebook. Fine. Okay. Now the first one is in true or false that only two ingredients are used to make rice, boiled rice. Only two ingredients are used to make boiled rice. So true or false, when you make boiled rice, what is boiled rice? The bhat that we eat. So only two ingredients are used, that is rice and water. Yes, some people put oil, some of them put salt also, but that is optional. Even without salt and oil, the rice can be made. So this is true, that only two ingredients are used. Then the second one, more than two ingredients are used to make dal. Yes, more than two ingredients. Yes, of course, you need the dal, you need water, and then you boil it, and then what all things you put? You put so many spices, you put lemon, right? So more than two ingredients are used. So this also is a true statement, right? Okay. Now the third one, common salt. Common salt is a plant product. Common salt. What is common salt? The salt that we use it in our day-to-day life. Sorry. Common salt is a plant product. Do we get salt from plants? Yes or no? No. So, common salt is a plant product. Answer is false. Okay. Now the fourth one. Oil is an animal product. Do we get oil from animals? Cow oil, buffalo oil. Do we get it? We get sunflower oil, mustard seed oil. We get from plants. Right? So oil is an animal product. Answer will be false. Right? Okay. Now the fifth one. Cabbage that we eat is the leaf of cabbage plant. Right? Cabbage that we eat is leaf of the plant. Right or wrong? The cabbage that we are eating, that day also we saw in various examples, that the cabbage that we are eating, exactly what part of the plant we are eating? We are eating the leaves. So this statement is true. Okay? Fine. Okay? So these are the 5 true or false. The next true or false, we will continue. Okay? So after you write this 5, we will again continue with the 6th one. Now what is the 6th true or false? Okay, 6th one is the leaves, stems, roots and flowers of different plants are not used as food. Right? The leaves, stem, roots, flowers and fruits of different plants are not used as food. So what is this answer? The leaves, stem, roots. The leaves, stem, roots means the different parts of plants. They are not used as food. So is that true? No, it is not true. It is a false statement, right? Because we use, or whatever fruit that we are eating, it is definitely a part of a plant. Either we are eating the root or flower or seed, right? Okay. Then the seventh one. Oil is extracted. Oil is extracted from mustard plant. Oil is extracted from mustard plant. It is a wrong statement. Why? Because we extract the oil from mustard seed. From the seed we are extracting the oil, not from the plant. Okay? So this statement is a false statement. Okay. Then next one. More than one part of banana tree can be eaten. More than one part. More than one part of the banana tree can be eaten. So this is again a true statement, right? You eat the fruits, sometimes even the leaves are used, right? So you can eat more than one part of the banana tree. That is a true statement. Now the next one. Pumpkin flowers dipped in rice paste can be fried and eaten. Pumpkin flowers. Pumpkin flowers dipped in rice paste can be eaten. If fried. What is the meaning of fried? Fried means tadhu. Deep fry. Tel and the tadhu. That is called fried. So pumpkin flowers, when it is dipped in the rice paste and then fried it, then we can use as an eatable item. So that is a true statement. And the next one is deer is an omnivore. Deer is an omnivore. You know what is an omnivore? What is an omnivore? It eats both plants and other animals. So does a deer eat plants and other animals both, or only plants or only other animals? It eats only plants, right? So deer is not an omnivore, it is an herbivore. So this statement is a false statement. Okay, children, so today we have done 10 true or false. So wherever you have written the first question answer in one word, continue from there question number 2, true or false, and write down all the 10 true or false. In the next period we will start with the other question, that is answer in brief. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.